My name is Comrade Emeka Emerole. Great Nigerian workers, you are important to the economy of every nation. A worker is important and you are important in Nigeria economy. And that is why we are making sure that every worker in Nigeria is not left behind in climate change. The slogan is no worker is left behind, just transition. As we are transiting, because Nigeria is transiting from fossil fuel, from high carbon emission energy to low and lower emission, greener economy. Nigeria is transiting. Nigeria is moving fast. Nigeria is changing. Just like globally the world is changing. Nigeria will not be left behind. Nigeria is moving. Workers of Nigeria, are you prepared to move? Are you prepared to transit? Because Nigeria Labour Congress is making sure that no worker is left behind, that we transit to greener economy justly, but justification is served when you are ready. Let's transit, and you say you don't want to transit. Do not blame anybody. Do not blame Nigerian Labour Congress. Do not blame TUC for not calling for strike. They would have called for strike now. Why would they do that? They are telling you now, learn, relearn, unlearn some skills. Some skills. Listen, if you are a cab driver, a taxi driver, you're a manual driver, manual engine driver, and you transited to auto, it happened. Today in Nigeria, many people, they don't want to hear manual gears. Everybody wants auto, auto, auto. You sure there are people in Nigeria, they are good drivers, but they've never driven manual cars in their life. That's transition. Now we are transiting again, leaving manual, leaving auto to what we call electric. Button without stress, that with your tongue you can engage the gear. That with your thumb you can engage the gear. That with your finger you can engage the gear without stress. We are no longer now doing park, reverse, drive. We are not doing park, reverse, drive. We are moving out of that. We are transiting. Go and learn how to transit. How to do electric vehicle. Go and learn it. Because it's not like what you used to know. I've been driving for 30 years. Yes, sir. Yes, ma, you've been driving. But go and drive electric vehicle. See, we are transiting. You're a worker. Economy is transiting. We are no longer stagnant. We are not where we used to be. That is why everybody, solar energy is what everybody is talking about today. You know, even Nigeria electricity failed us, that it made us get there quickly. Electricity in Nigeria has failed, no doubt. So what happened? People went fast to alternative energy, to greener energy. Solar, solar energy, solar energy, solar energy, that even today we have solar vehicles. Have you not seen it? Solar vehicles are everywhere now, especially in the north where they have abundance of sunlight. Go to Abuja, you will see they have keke, solar keke that carry people, commercial, solar. They use solar. You see solar keke with solar and it's running on solar. Now, if you're a keke driver and you say this is how we do it, eh, 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 with the fuel, we are moving out of that. Oh. We are going solar. We are going greener. Low emission economy. Low emission economy. We are transiting. The question I'm asking Nigerian workers, are you ready to transit? Because as a Nigerian Labour Congress is doing everything to make sure that you don't force it on people, but everything has time. A time will reach, there's nothing they can do anymore because they have given you an ample time, enough time to get ready and transit with the whole world, with the people, where everybody is going. You can't remain alone. No. You cannot remain alone. Do everything within your reach and within your power to move where people are going. Today, people are driving electric vehicle and you are still on manual. There is a rumor that is going about that in airport, Nigeria airport and Lagos airport, that they are trying to make cars, higher version. And imagine if you still have that old Corolla. Just will you, what are we talking about? Transition is happening. Transition is happening. It's happening in technology. It's happening in agriculture. It's happening in digitalization. It's happening. Technology is happening. In transportation, it's happening fast. Fast is happening. See, when we talk about transition, we don't get it. But if you're a Nigerian worker, listen. If you work in petroleum industry, energy industry, power, transportation, water and forestry, aviation, what again? Some of these industries, transition is happening very fast. See, if you do computer, you learn computer. Listen, today people don't need to write and bring to you to type. Yes, the people they call business center people, the business center people. In those days, you write, they say, we are typing projects in the school. And they give you your project, you write and write, take night, days, weeks, months, and write your project. You bring it to business center. It takes them days and weeks. They keep typing. You come, you proofread, you go back and forth for a project. Today, I don't know how many of these business centers that are still witnessing that kind of work, that volume of work, or that kind of typing. You don't need to do it anymore. Transition has happened that you don't need to buy thick notebook and write and bring for them to type. You don't, see, there's AI. What is that thing you want to write that nobody has written? What is that project you want to defend that nobody has done it? Nobody's ready to write anymore. We have transited from project writing. All you need to do, just ask AI what you want. The AI will not give you to write. It will still write it for you. You don't get it, he rewrite it. You don't get it, he rewrite until you get what you want. Now, the business center people, if you are there waiting for, they will bring work for me to type. We have moved out of that. We have moved. Nobody is bringing work for you again to type. Nobody. We have transited. We can get our job done. Even now, you have it on your phone and you go to business center, you send the print, See, let me tell you, if you don't know, there is a mobile printer that doesn't use electricity. Mobile printer, it doesn't use electricity. All you need to put it on power bank, send from your phone to it, put paper, it print what is on your phone. We are changing, oh. Great Nigerian workers, we are changing. You see this tailor. I want to learn tailor. They change the name, say they are fashion designers, sewing mistress and sewing masters. We don't care the name is being called. We don't care about it. I remember in those days too, for you to learn tailoring, you go and buy paper. Buy paper. You know, cement, those days used to be in paper, thick paper. You buy it, cut it, and sew on it. You want to sew clothes, you first sew that one. We have transited. We are no longer there. You are a designer. I can design. If I design finish like this, say you will like it. My brother, my sister, AI can design better than you now. I say AI can design better. You are not the best. We have AI that can do the best. What I am saying is you are a worker. Do not be left behind. Learn how to do it with AI. Relearn how to do it and unlearn that one you know. This is how we used to do it. It will no longer work that way. Is what I'm saying. It will no longer work that way. A tailor. Oh God. See, when you make it look like you are the best, relax. The best are not yet out. They are coming. So what I am saying is we are transiting. And what we are saying is let's transit on our own pace. And our own pace, you might be left behind because when people are running race on their pace, some are in front, some are in the back, some are even at the middle. Do you want to be at the back? Before you reach the line, everybody is gone. Let's transit. Great Nigerian workers, let's transit. Live the way you used to do it. There is a better way to do it now. AI can cook food, oh. I know what I'm saying. AI can cook food. You're a great cook, no doubt. You know how to do it. You're a great baker. When you bake meat pie, everybody will like it. You can mix ice cream. What I'm saying is that AI can do it. You are a worker. Let's transit together. Is what I'm saying. Great worker you are. We are proud of you that you are a worker. You are working, doing something. Let's transit justly. I remain my humble self, Comrade Emeka Emerole. I'm coming your way next time. But until then, I want you to like, follow, share, comment on what we are doing. And we are proud of you because you are working and there is dignity and honor when you walk with your hand.